In today's data driven world, businesses face a growing challenge. Customer data is everywhere, but it's often scattered, inconsistent, and hard to use. Every team, marketing, product, sales, support needs access to the same real time insights to understand customers, personalize experiences, and make smarter decisions. But stitching data together across multiple tools and systems can quickly become overwhelming. This is where Twilio Segment steps in. Segment is a powerful customer data platform, or CDP, built to unify and activate your customer data. It acts as the single pipeline between your apps, websites, and backend systems and the tools you use every day, whether that's Mixpanel, HubSpot, Salesforce, Braze, or your data warehouse. In this video, we'll walk you through how Segment works, its core or most important features, each with clear benefits that show why Segment is one of the most trusted and scalable CDPs in the market today. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the unified data collection with a single API. At the heart of Segment is its core connections feature, which begins with installing a single API called the Segment SDK into your website, mobile app, or backend. Once that's done, you can begin capturing all your customer events in a standardized format. These events can include logins, signups, purchases, clicks, views, and any other user interaction. This drastically reduces the workload for your developers and data engineers. Instead of spending time maintaining dozens of separate integrations, you centralize everything in one place. It also ensures that every team sees the same consistent, clean data, reducing confusion and improving decision making across departments. Another key feature is the real time data routing to any tool. Once events are captured, Segment's destinations feature allow you to route that data to over 300 tools instantly. These destinations include advertising platforms, product analytics, CRMs, customer support tools, email platforms, and even cloud data warehouses. You can manage where each data stream goes right from the segment dashboard. No code changes needed. It gives you marketing, product, and analytics teams the power to experiment and move fast. No more waiting on development sprints to wire up tracking or worrying about delays in data access. Another key feature is the identity resolution and unified customer profiles. Segment doesn't just capture anonymous events. It also helps you make sense of who your customers are across sessions and devices. Through a feature called Identity Resolution, Segment merges multiple interactions like an anonymous user browsing your site, then signing up later via email, and eventually logging in on mobile into one consistent customer profile. You get a full 360-degree view of your customers. This enables hyper-personalized marketing, better sales targeting, accurate reporting, and improved customer retention strategies. Another key feature is the privacy, consent, and data governance controls. Segment is built with privacy in mind. Its privacy portal allows you to manage data permissions, anonymize personal information, and ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA. This makes Segment not only a powerful data platform, but also a safe one. You reduce your compliance risk while still collecting and using customer data responsibly. Another key feature is the data warehousing and reverse ETL with Twilio Engage. Beyond real-time data routing, Segment also lets you export raw customer data into a cloud data warehouse like Snowflake, Redshift, or BigQuery. Once in the warehouse, you can run analytics, train models, or join data across systems. So you're not just collecting data, you're making it work for you. From advanced customer segmentation to predictive recommendations, Segment lets you push smarter, more relevant data into the tools your teams use every day. So, why is Segment a great choice? Segment is a standout choice in 2025 because it solves one of the biggest problems in modern business, which is data fragmentation. Instead of forcing you to build complex custom pipelines or rely on outdated connectors, Segment gives you a scalable, unified foundation for your entire customer data strategy. Its integrations are deep, well documented, and reliable. It works for small startups launching their first app, as well as massive enterprises managing millions of users across dozens of tools. And now, with Twilio backing it, Segment is even more powerful, offering native connections to messaging, voice, email, and engagement tools under the Twilio umbrella. So, whether you're focused on growth marketing, product led onboarding, or real time support, Segment can help you do it faster, cleaner, and more intelligently. So basically, Twilio Segment is more than a data pipeline. It's a platform that empowers your entire organizations to make better, faster decisions using clean, consistent customer data. From capturing and unifying events to activating them across your stack, it gives you visibility, flexibility, and control without overloading your engineering team. So, if your teams are struggling with data silos, inconsistent tracking, or fragmented customer views, Segment may be the foundational tool you need to align your marketing, product, and analytics efforts. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.